Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix a Wix mobile site not displaying correctly on mobile devices. This guide will walk you through a simple troubleshooting process to resolve common issues. First, it is essential to understand that Wix is a website builder platform that offers mobile responsive templates. However, sometimes issues can arise due to various reasons such as incorrect settings or outdated templates. To begin, open your Wix account and navigate to the Editor section. Check if the mobile view is enabled by clicking on the mobile icon at the top of the editor. Ensure that the mobile view is turned on and the site is set to be mobile friendly. Next, review your site's layout and content. Check for any overlapping elements, excessive padding, or incorrect margins. Make sure to adjust these elements to fit the mobile screen size. You can use the Wix built-in drag and drop editor to make these adjustments. Another critical step is to check your site's images and media. Ensure that all images are optimized for mobile devices and are not too large. You can compress images using Wix's built-in image editor or third-party tools. Additionally, check your site's fonts and typography. Ensure that the font sizes are readable on mobile devices and that the line spacing is adequate. You can adjust font sizes and line spacing using the Wix text editor. It is also crucial to test your site on different mobile devices and browsers. Wix offers a built-in preview mode that allows you to test your site on various devices and browsers. Use this feature to identify any issues and make necessary adjustments. Finally, if you have made any recent changes to your site, try clearing the cache and publishing your site again. This can resolve any issues related to outdated content or incorrect caching. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve common issues with your Wix mobile site not displaying correctly on mobile devices. Remember to always test your site on different devices and browsers to ensure a seamless user experience.